Amazon EC2 overview. Amazon EC2 provides scalable computing capacity in the AWS cloud. EC2 is an infrastructure as a service. Pay as you go pricing model is used in Amazon EC2. The virtual computing environments are called instances. EC2 can launch virtual servers, configure the security and networking in the servers. Types of EC2. There are 7 types of EC2. General purpose, which is used for balanced memory and CPU. Compute optimized purpose, which is used in the case of more CPU and RAM. Memory optimized, which is basically for more RAM. Storage optimized, in the case of graphics. Accelerated computing is used in the case of low latency. High memory is used in the case of high RAM and nitro system. And the last one is the previous generation, which we don't use anymore. EC2 instance purchasing options. There are 6 types of purchasing options. First is the on demand. On demand, as you already know, is pay as you go pricing. On demand instances, you pay for compute capacity by the hour or second. Dedicated instances. Amazon EC2 instances that run in a VPC on hardware that's dedicated to a single customer. Dedicated host, a physical server fully dedicated for the use of an organization. Spot instances, it is an instance that uses spare EC2 capacity that is available for less than the on-demand price but for a specific period. Scheduled instances, you can reserve capacity that is scheduled to recur daily, weekly or monthly with a specified start time and duration. Reserved instances. It is a discount billing concept in which business can obtain significant discounts compared to standard on-demand cloud computing prices in return for committing to a specified level of usage, for example 1 year or 3 years. Other important terms to know in EC2. Elastic load balancer automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple Amazon EC2 instances. Elastic load balancing detects unhealthy instances and automatically reroutes traffic to healthy instances until the unhealthy instances have been restored. Autoscaling. Autoscaling is a cloud computing feature that enables organizations to scale cloud services such as server capacities or virtual machines up or down automatically based on defined situations such as traffic or utilization levels. EC2 user data. It is a way of bootstrapping our instances. It automates tasks like updating, installing software, etc.